In this tutorial you will learn how to activate product tariff plans. Step 1. Click on Rental Product Tariff Plans. Select your desired plan with respect to your product uploading count. Step 2. Click on Activate button. Step 3. After activation, you can see the activation details. You can see the product limit in Add Product link. When the active plan gets expired, your shop status automatically change to shop close. You will not get any orders from the customer. For uninterrupted service, you can select another plan which will be activated only after current activated plan gets expired. Or, if you want to increase the product adding limit, then select the plan and activate it. After activation, product limit will be increased and the rental balance will be carry forwarded to pending plan. In this demo video, you will see how pending plan selection and product adding limit increasing process. Now I will select 90 product adding limit plan. And this will select it as pending plan, which will activate it after current activated plan gets expires. You will see pending plan details, which will be activated after 28 days and product adding limit is changed to 90.